In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Gmail from Notion Mail. Managing your connected accounts is an important part of keeping your workspace organized and secure. Whether you're changing email addresses, troubleshooting issues, or simply cleaning up your integrations, disconnecting your Gmail account from Notion Mail is a simple and safe process. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so that you can do it quickly and confidently without affecting your Gmail account itself. To begin, log into your Notion account and navigate to Notion Mail. Once you're inside Notion Mail, look for the Settings option and click on it. The Settings section is where you can manage all account connections, preferences, and security options. From here, locate and click on the Account section. This will display the details of the email address currently connected to Notion Mail, giving you access to options for managing your email integration. Once you are in the Account section, look for the Disconnect button. Clicking this option will initiate the disconnection process. Notion will display a confirmation pop-up message asking if you are sure you want to disconnect the selected email address. It's important to note that disconnecting your Gmail from Notion Mail will not affect your Gmail account itself. Your messages, contacts, and other Gmail data will remain intact. Only the connection to Notion Mail will be removed. If you are certain that you want to proceed, click the Disconnect button in the confirmation pop-up. Notion will immediately remove the Gmail account from Notion Mail. After this step, your Notion Mail will no longer send or receive emails through that Gmail address, and you are free to connect a different email account if needed. This process is safe, quick, and fully reversible if you decide to reconnect the same account in the future. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected Gmail from Notion Mail, keeping your workspace clean and under your control. This small action helps maintain your account security and ensures that only the emails you want to be connected to Notion Mail remain active. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. By following these steps, you can easily manage your Notion Mail integrations and keep your workflow smooth and organized.